Hello, virtual learners. I realize I forgot to explain something that you see on number 17 in your homework. So for number 17, it says, Mrs. Smith bought her 3 children new raincoats. Each raincoat cost $25.99. About how much did Mrs. Smith spend on the 3 raincoats? So right now I'm noticing the word about, and I know I'm going to have to estimate, right? So I know I'm going to have to estimate. Now it says, is your estimate an overestimate or an underestimate? Write an equation to show your work. Now, the difference between an overestimate and an underestimate, it all has to do with your rounding. If the number you're looking at, you have to round up. You know, you look next door, it's 5 or more, so you add 1 more. Then, because you're rounding the number up, you have to you're making the number bigger. So that means whatever number you come up with, that's an overestimate. Now, if you're rounding, you look next door, it's below 5, and so your number stays the same and everything else becomes zeros. You're actually making it a smaller number, so that's an underestimate. So I want you to look at this number, 25.99. Think about how you would round it. Are you having to add 1 more to the tens place, or is your tens place staying the same? And if you're having to add 1 more, that means it will be an overestimate. If you have to keep it the same, then it will be an underestimate. So how you round, whether you're adding 1 more, that's an overestimate. If it stays the same, that will be an underestimate. So think about how you would round this number, and that will tell you if you are coming up with an overestimate or an underestimate. I hope that helps.